Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Kong GI Pasa kabadai ka Executive Engineer jong ka MeECL South Khasi Hills Distribution Division haka arpu honreu terik ubna naitung arajar arpu wai kala pensyai bat PYNSNGEWTHUH SHA PAIDBAH jong ka South Khasi Hills District HALOR ka JINGKIEW Shabapalat ka BAI BORDING jong ki Longying ki badan hapo upur usam jong ka nika district kani ka jing pensyai jong ka Executive Engineer jong ka MeECL kalong hadin baki seng bahalang jong ka South Khasi Hills District ki bakenthop ya ka KSU bat ka senjuk ki seng samla shnong kila berngem ban ya de kalenti ka batenge lada ki bor penya jong ka office kim ai jing pensyai HALOR ka JINGKIEW jong ka BAI BORDING Nagaliang jong ka Kong Pasa kalau kular bakan sa penbai HALOR kani ka JINGKIEW kensan jong ka BAI BORDING tang yo ubnai jilliu hanrei ha ka bayadai jong ubnai naitung kala pentip ban hab ban ra shwa sha shilong nakabenta ban ya penbai sani bha
Kinoyalam jong ka mau perwat Electricity Consumers Forum kumbangila wa dawan adu ka sisajan banawang ba ngikwa ya ka office jong ka tanat hanglait la dekat boarding jong ka division mau perwat makin ai jing sai manta kasengi ikumbang ila bu deadline ha katu kasengi bangun du angne but ngiso tanat ru bangin yo i manta kasengi bana kalian ka executive engineer but na kalian u SE ki batai pe ya ka ne ka desik ke jong ki lawan mat kila kloi bena kandu yang i bat ngile syong hadu kumbang kanu la abam alkanta steng kajing ya keren kajing ya tai halo kajing halo kajing sitom kajing kulumar jimut jong ki PAIDBAH nong thangla jongi jong ka desik borok kawai na kadau kajing kulumar bar kajing turmur jing kulumar kajing kiu kansan jong ki bilai kaba ngilaya keren meni ngilaya thir bat ki ba bun ba bat nginya keren le isu ya kaju haba ka nuksa kalau kum kani da ka ban ka nuksa kum kani haba kidon kibil haka arbanai kilong 100,000 aspa arfly henry si benai kalau si pawajar lais pa ru khandai kalau tang ka sampel ban pan i hang ne ki babon ba ki bel ngi yak ta jang ti apa office mane hari kalau nuktang kan nuksa lada ar benai kalau 100,000 hari la si benai kalau si pawajar kita ki lalong ki kam ki ba mala syuk bania sutu kita halin ke jing yak ta babon te na kelang jongki kila pediang kila sengap ya ka jing persengau jongi ba kala don ru ka jing kuat ban ong banak leng juki kin persang kan bala ban page ban check yakini balai kalong kumni balai ka jia kumni bat ka donru ka benta ka bangi sutu banak kalian ka office jong ka bor ka ko jong ka office MeECL ka baju trikam kala ban penbai yaki bil tang yo ubnai jun kadang hap po ka jing page jong kita ngano ubnai jun sepo namar balai ba ya ujulai sejorong hana kala dono menta da ka weipat ka rukom bil karkom billing system mana karkom I bill sekali ba ka bagi latip da kata ka yuko kamot kata ka utility on the go billing system but ha kata ka billing system ka batmai ka bangi latip lengkot kum ka yugo kata ka dai ka software ka batmai but na kalian kini ki bat ki SE ki om habere berkan ngim don bor mangi ban penbet ni ban le kono ru ki don bor bai tang kata kan yuko billing system ti ya kata ngim la ban komen ngim la ban sutu ngim la ban tip balai kan henry ya ki bil ki wa na ujun sepo na ubrajun sepo ngila karpat ya ki ba yakini ki bil ki bala mai ki kelumar ki ba ki PAIDBAH ki melasu ban sutu ki haban penbet kinya penbaik kila pediang bangin hap penbaik hang ne tinggal kerpa nak kadang jungi ngisim mentakarai ya ki PAIDBAH ki bala ban siu ki bamdon jinge lani ki bala ban siu kinang siu ki bil ki bala ban siu kin siu ki ba kinai ki tu bat ki consumers ki nong thanglait ki bam siu ban siu bat ki baya kendu ya ka jing jing ka bala sitom ban siu kin hab ban ya kendu kin hab ban ya penbaik kin hab ban ki penbaik hang ne ki bom ton jinga kin siu mlai ya
ki PAIDBAH abrok habon kedu ne ban risek ti bil
hoi ke tambah ka jingmut kalong ki bala ban siu kin siu Ki bom don jing ber ki badon ki problem ki badon masih kin hab banwa ba recheck bene pen bai. Ta kata galong ya ki ba hab hapo ka jing pe jong ko office MeECL bunai jun kan don ke je pen bai. Ya kita ki be dai pat saka ba na bunai Julai nak ta ka billing system ba thamai kata pat maki ki ong imla pen bai ba ndrai nya keleng jong yiru ngi ong ngin sanang ya kendu bat ka ai ga ba dai ban ya tungku ha be dai berkata ke ba thamai kata ka billing ke ba kata ka kom I bill system ba thamai ru ya kata ngin sanang ya ai jing tho ba sang ya budin hare ya ka ba menta hangne ke long ba yakin ki bil baro ki ba mi jing ya kin ki la kloi ban ya pen bai hangne te kata ka
Pedang pen bai hang ni.
ki pedang pen bai hangne te ngi penanang ne ya ki pai ba baro jong ka distrik nomor kani ke je kam dai tang ya nasional ka dai je jong baro ki jong ka distrik blokawai ba sobha ya ki bil ki ba phimla su ban ki bala kiu su ba ka ba hap su ka jingkiu ki bala hep ki bil kin soba ban wan ya pen bai hang ni bat ki ber hang ni bat lada kimla su ban siu ki bakala amlong pala dru soba kin ya pen bai bat ki bat kin su pen tip yang ni ndrai ya ki bala bar siu kin su no ka bangi ya kan mene kadai ka pro ka ba na kalian ka office kadai ban pikir ban PAIDBAH ba kadai ban sim jingki klik bah habe dai bat ki metarida haba ki lej ban metar ban read ya ki metar leng-leng jing PAIDBAH bat kini ki jing ya ki mi kadai na kadau ka kila bandai na kadau ka metarida ru bat ka ba khadu ngilah keren mene hakmat kini ki usar kalong ba ya ka counter hang ne ya ka counter hang ni phim dai bar biang por tang hakapor bakhang phir bar biang por ru hakapor baple namar balai ban kapor ngilap ba biang por tang ya kapor bakhang ne kharwei baje phim pat play ki PAIDBAH ki lai ap hang ne hare import play hare ya kapor khang pat ar baje phila khang no ya kaniru ngilahkan soni ber kani kamla balon ki PAIDBAH ki wan song ni ki ap kenta import play hare sibet dala dumbat dapat boy kapor phila khang no pat kim padap namar kata kaniru kadai ko problem ko lakta
SHA HALOR jong ka JINGKIEW HALOR jong ka billing ki ka ai ka ba ni raya kran ni raya da ban pensa da ki ba namal ba ka de ka new billing software. This is a new billing software ba ki bangi dang sedang ho na Julai the same thing dong ngim parla ada bangin give that full ma bangin pat ke hakanya tumlo ka billing in the first place because it is at the initial stage of billing kanka yugo system so kai ka bang niraya kan hangye baki MeECL kalong ba whatever complaints or whatever ka banmi na kanika system ka batmai kalong ba will see to it that will solve each and every problems faced by the consumer ngin persyang adalah from our end naman ba being a new billing system, and which we don't have any facilities to cover up from. This UGO billing system is being implemented in the whole of Meghalaya. In the whole of Meghalaya. No, it is not in the whole of Meghalaya, and it is the first billing system, and I would say that we have not even reached 50% of billing. Nimpat reach tangi kataro. Maka we are at the initial stage of this billing system. Jika ika ba nakalihan changi ba ong bangin pensyai nakalihan jang ki MeECL kalau jang ka JINGKIEW jang ka bill nang taka JINGKIEW. Kasulong being a new billing system kawai kalong bait ba menswa ka billing system kalong totally different nakani ka paminta kajing mu jongi malpanya ya kani ka billing system new billing system kalong ba we always get the complaints especially in the rural areas ba meter readers are not going, they are sitting in the shop before readings So with this advanced technology, so we have tried to find our ways out. But something fair should be to the consumers. Even if it is 1 rupee or 1,000 rupee, but it should be a fair one. And to reduce such complaint, so we have come up with this technology, that is the UGO billing, which we feel that it will give would say a very like a system which I think a very friendly user system. Friendly user system. About like a consumer friendly user system, like even consumers will be happy with what they are getting the bills. Because now the thing is that each and every meter reader will have a net shakato each and every household and take the reading. Even if there is no meter, can calculate fee. And no meter reader can tamper with the reading, nor with the calculation of the bills. Everything it is inbuilt system that is already in the system, which it calculates as per the tariff given by the MSERC, and we have completely just applied that whatever it is for the calculation, and it is completely, it is an inbuilt software, which everything has been in the software itself. Kat kung feature ni ko for office ka day 10, 10 minta kita hadu fo, mo kat kung kadon kani ka lockdown na ngat mo, ta. Nay, we never get that complaint eh. Pangim jiyo kata ko complain ba kim juse. Ba kim ju play ya ka counter ha ko po ba ben. Tang mentang ngarang yo ya kata. Bagi complain yang ba kim jiyo kim ju play ka counter and you. Then I have already talked about EGE whether is on revenue. But in fact, ba he didn't play for the